Meaning of hash.
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 Hash. In computing, a hash function is a mathematical algorithm that converts input data of arbitrary size into a fixed-size string of characters. This process is also referred to as hashing or fingerprinting. The resulting hash value is unique to the input data, and any small change in the input data will produce a vastly different hash value. Hash functions are commonly used in password encryption, digital signatures, data integrity checks, and data indexing. They are also used in blockchain technology for securing transactions and creating immutability.